Just get home for work and need an idea for dinner? Let me show you my go-to creamy pesto prawn pasta. Start by grabbing a medium yellow onion. We need to cut this into small dice. Next, get whatever soft cheese you have in your fridge and grate about 1 cup of it. Today I'll be using some jalapeno Havarti. If you have some fresh Parmesan, finally grate about half a cup. This is going to give the pasta a little bit of a kick. For protein, I'll be using red Argentinian prawns today. I prefer these over other prawns as they have a bit of sweetness to them and are quite a bit cheaper than fresh spot prawns. When removing the shells, make sure you also remove the veins that run down the back. If your prawns aren't butterflied like these ones, you can use a set of kitchen shears to cut down the back to break the shell. Time to get the sauce together. Start by adding in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of salted butter. Saute off the diced onion until they are golden brown. Next, add in some all-purpose flour and stir until the mixture turns into a loose paste. Now, let's add in some milk a little bit at a time and stir it until it looks like a thin batter. It's better to have a thinner sauce at this stage because once we add the cheese, it's going to thicken up again. Now that our sauce is done, set it aside, and let's get our noodles on the boil. I'll be using fettuccine noodles today, but if you don't have any, you can use whatever noodles you have in your pantry. It will take between 6 to 9 minutes for the pasta to cook. In the meantime, let's saute up some prawns. Heat a pan over medium and add in a knob of butter. Make sure that you don't burn the butter like I almost did. Next, add in the prawns and cook for about 60 seconds. Add in some spinach for color. Some roasted garlic and fresh pesto. Links for these are up above. And finally, add in the cheese sauce. If your sauce is too thick at this point, you can use some of the pasta water to thin it out. Now add in the pasta and toss it all together. Top with some extra grated Parmesan cheese, and you're all ready to dig in. What's your favorite pasta to make when you're short on time after getting home from a long day at work? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for today's video, folks. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this delicious pasta. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.